Hello everyone, my name is Pramin Bilya and I am from Indore. Currently, I am in the last year of my engineering from Acropolis Institute of Technology and Research. Today, the topic of discussion is how Hadoop integrates with modern security tools. Hadoop is an open source framework used to store the data across many computers in a distributed environment. The three core components of Hadoop are Hadoop Distributed File System HDFS, MapReduce, and yet another source negotiator YARN. Hadoop is an open source software programming framework for which we have to store a large amount of data and to perform their computations. And the framework is based upon the Java programming and some native code in C and shell script. It designed to handle big data and it is based on the MapReduce programming model which allow for a parallel processing of a large data set. There are the features of Hadoop. It is fault tolerance. Second, it is highly available. Third, it is a programming is easy. Fourth, it have huge flexible storage. Fifth, it is of low cost. Importance of security in Hadoop environment. In today data-driven world, organizations face difficulty managing securing massive amount of data. This is where Hadoop, free and open source software platform, which come into that play. Hadoop enables to handle store massive volume of data across the community hardware cluster. The data became more compatible, valuable and maintainable because of the Hadoop. Hadoop is make that kind of environment which is helpful for the data and it is very meaningful meaningful process that help in security of data in massive amount. There are the securing Hadoops. Two ways of security. The organization must be prioritized and the three core security principle known as authentication and authorization to manage the security concern in Hadoop environment. They are the two A's which play the major role in security. First is authentication. In Hadoop, authentication is a Java library consists of a client and a server component. To enable Kerberos span authentication, Hadoop authentication also support additional authentication mechanism on the client and the server side with simple to interface. The Kerberos authentications has been widely adopted as a preferred method of authentication in Hadoop cluster. It provides a way to ensure that only authorized user can access the data and provide a way to adult who can access the data and when it is used. The second point is authorization. Authorization tells us what an given user can or cannot do within a Hadoop cluster. That means if user has access or not access of that particular program or anything software. After the user has been successfully authenticated in HDFC, this is primarily governed by the file permission. On the far left, there is a string of a letter which the and the question is, how can we enable Hadoop service level authorization? Enable service level authorization are the XML files, the set of the field value of Hadoop's security authorization to true, and the step enables Hadoop cluster authorization. The data encryption in Hadoop. What is data encryption? Data encryption convert the data from a readable plain text format into unreadable encoded format in ciphertext. User and processors can only read and process encrypted data after it is decrypted, and description key is a secret. The description key is a secret, so it must be protected against unauthorized access. So, how can I encrypt a file in HDFC? The overall workflow is in flow. Create an HDFC encryption zone that will be used to encrypt the file level data encryption. For every file and encryption zone, create a new HDFC folder. Using the new encryption zone, the design that folder can encryption zone. Fourth, configure client access. Auditing and monitoring in Hadoop. Hadoop monitoring is a gateway configuration file that enables monitoring of a Hadoop cluster, nodes, and daemons through the JMX and toolkit plugs in. Auditing and monitoring play a crucial role in the maintaining the security of Hadoop environment by tracking, analyzing user activity, system logs, and access control. Organization gain visibility into potential securities, breaches, and can be proactive measure to prevent them. Robust auditing and monitoring practice ensure that an unauthorized activity cannot be can be detected, and we have to majorly prioritizely we have to address those activities. These all are the data maintaining and integrity of the Hadoop system. So, security issues in Hadoop. There are some security reasons in Hadoop, which are a traditional security mechanism which can be tolerated to secure on small scale static data. The importance of issues relating the Hadoop are authentication and organization, as we discussed earlier. But editing and encryption with a cluster is also play a major role. So, what are the risks of Hadoop? Hadoop poses several risks to data term, which one of the main challenges being complexity and distributed system, which make which can make management and maintenance difficult. This can result in operational issues such as system downtime, data loss, and other problems that can be negatively effectively business operation. So, what are the five pillars of Hadoop security? So, solving Hadoop security, our framework of comparison security revolves around the five pillars as administration, authentication, authorization, audit, and the data protection. So, these are the security issues and protocols to secure the data in Hadoop. Integration of Hadoop in big data management can connect a cluster that run different Hadoop distribution. Hadoop, as we know that Hadoop is an open source software framework that enables distributed processing of a large data sets across cluster of machines. So, is Hadoop is a data integrated tool? In conclusion, we can say that there are many different ETLs and data integration tools available in the market, each with its own unique feature, capabilities. Some popular options include as double SIS, Airflow, AWS Data Pipeline, Google Data Flow, SAP Business Object Data Services, and Havo. The main purpose of Hadoop is to efficiently store the data of a large data set ranging in a size of a gigabyte to petabytes of a data. So, here's the conclusion of the whole topic. You can read from the slide. So, if you have any queries related to the topic, you can ask me in the comment section. I will be answering. Thank you for watching.